Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Volvo S80 key fob. You're going to need either one or two of these 2430 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. Now you don't really need a screwdriver, but it can be helpful in this process. So first you want to take this notch down and remove your mechanical key. Next you can either take a screwdriver or a mechanical key and just insert it in here just a bit and pop that up. You can see this has got a broken piece here. So this process can break that piece, so just be careful about that. So go ahead and remove that. One of the batteries has come out already. Also, these come out quite a bit, so if yours does come out, the spring is underneath this, and that's how it goes back in. So you're going to want to go ahead and just remove the battery. And you can see there's two in this one, but some of them do have one. So go ahead and take your dead batteries out. And the orientation you place them in is positive side facing upward on the first one, and positive side facing downward on the second one, just like that. Now you want to put this back together, just like that. Then put your key back in, and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.